What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is Modi Makes, and today I'm coming back at you with another woodblock painting in a very similar style to the last one I did 2 weeks ago, I believe? 2 videos ago? Something like that? I'd have to check, but I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, the difference being that this one is much larger than the other one, so I'm gonna be able to get a lot more detail in it. And since I can get a lot more detail in it, I'm gonna be doing kind of a intricate one-point perspective cityscape combined with my funky loose style to kind of give you this weird feeling of like structure and fluidity. And then the other big part about it that is something I haven't done for quite a while is I'm not actually going to be doing a large flat painted background for this one. I'm going to be leaving a lot of the wood exposed. Basically everywhere that isn't, you know, an object that I have painted in is going to just be the wood grain. I think it should just look interesting, but there's no way to tell until we get it finished. So, with that out of the way, let's get into it. Man, I hope these pieces sell well at the exhibition because I am running out of space to put all of these in my tiny little studio here. I guess that's what happens when you make a bunch of large-scale pieces and try to store them in basically a glorified storage closet that I turned into this studio. But anyways, that's not what y'all are here for. Y'all are here to get into those final shots. But as always, before we do that, I just gotta thank you guys so much for watching. It's amazing. I love doing this and I love being able to share it with all y'all. So once again, thank you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. And you know, as always, if you like the video and you wanna help get it out to more people, please give it a like. That would be amazing. And if you like the channel, you like me, you like what I do here, and you wanna help support me, go ahead and subscribe. That's the biggest thing that you can do for me. So that would be amazing. With all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get into those final shots, shall we?